If you use a breast pump, cleaning the pump parts properly is one of the most important things you can do to protect your baby from harmful germs. But with so many pieces, valves, membranes, and bottles, it can feel confusing. Today on Pump with Thilly, let's make breast pump cleaning simple and safe. After every pumping session, start by separating all pump parts that come into contact with breast milk. This usually includes the breast shield, bottles, valves, membranes, and connectors. Check your pump's instruction manual because some parts may need special care, and certain tubing should not be washed unless the manufacturer specifically says it is washable. Rinse milk contact parts with cool or warm water as soon as possible. Then wash them thoroughly using dish soap and warm water. Use a clean basin and a dedicated bottle or pump parts brush rather than washing these parts directly in a dirty sink. Rinse everything well under running water and allow the parts to air dry completely on a clean, unused towel or drying rack. Avoid wiping pump parts dry with a kitchen towel. Towels can transfer germs back onto freshly cleaned equipment. Instead, let the pieces dry naturally, and keep them protected from dust and other household contaminants while they dry. For babies younger than 2 months, babies born prematurely, or babies with weakened immune systems, extra sanitizing may be recommended. Sanitizing can be done according to the pump and part manufacturer's instructions, such as using boiling water, steam, or a dishwasher when the parts are labeled dishwasher safe. Remember, sterilizing is not always necessary after every pumping session. Proper washing is the key step. Sanitizing may provide an additional level of protection for certain babies, especially those who are very young or medically vulnerable. Also, inspect your pump parts regularly. Replace cracked bottles, damaged valves, stretched membranes, or worn-out pieces because damaged parts can affect both hygiene and pump performance. Most importantly, always follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions because different breast pumps have different components and care requirements. Clean pump parts mean cleaner milk handling equipment and greater peace of mind. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Pump with Thilly for more practical breastfeeding and breast pumping tips designed to make your journey easier.